This is a pair of kids' sunglasses. In a box here it says it has 100% UV protection. And this is designed for sports. So they come with a little protective covering here that slides off. And this is what they look like. It looks like a single piece kind of UV protecting plastic there, embedded on and attached to this colorful plastic frame. And just little ear hooks here. Feels relatively flexible. I don't know how durable it'll be. You can see here when I'm flexing it, the eyeglass part bends away from the frame part in the back, so it's not completely glued on there. It looks like it's attached primarily on the two sides, and this nose piece clips into the front. So it looks like it may not even be glued. It might just be friction fit and hold in there based on the friction. Alright, they look relatively small, but they flex pretty well, and so they fit my son just fine, and he's 12. Now, in addition to the glasses, we also have a few accessories. So they have two of these little silicone ear things that you can optionally slip on the back. If you want to have them fit somebody whose ears are a little closer, you can slide these all up and down so you can really adjust the position of where these guys are based on the length of their head and where their ear is. And then, of course, we have this little carrying case, so you can fold them up, put them in the carrying case. Now, it fits a little tighter than I would like. They certainly do go in, but you have to work at it. You can't just kind of drop them in. You do have to really push them through there. And so you might get smudges on the lenses when you're doing that if you're not careful. And taking them out isn't too bad. You saw this thing flipped over here. They also include a microfiber cloth in the package for cleaning all of those fingerprints off of the lens.